Close your eyes. Hilly, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. There you go. Mami is pasalubong. Ah, hindi naabot to ng Christmas, ha? What's that? What's that? What's inside? What's inside? What's that? Bag? Who is this?
Cocomelon.
Who is that?
Mama.
Elmo. What do you say? What do you say? Oh, what do you say? Wow. Wow. You have a purse. Yeah. One more. What's that?
Mama.
Wow. Lagay mo nga sa harap niya, tingnan natin. Oh, you can wear that on Christmas. Look! Look mo muna!
How about this
one? Oh, there's one more! There's one more inside. What's that? Yay!
Dami-dami mo ng Elmo.
Is that your blanket? Wow! Oh, meron yung cup. Tingnan mo, Han. May Elmo hat yan. Hat pala. Elmo hat.
Here.
Haley, look! Wow! Oh, look! Tanggalin mo nga, Han.
Ayun!
Eee! You're gonna wear that? Christmas? And there's another one?
Here.
Wow! What do you say? What do you say, Mommy? What do you say to Mommy?
Mommy.
Oh, what do you say to Mommy? Thank you.
Thank you.
Kiss. Wow! Kiss Daddy! Kiss Daddy! Kiss Daddy too.
Laway.
Laway. Open mo nga yung ano niya. Hat. Wow. Tulog na daw si Daddy. Pasok pa later. Oh, where's our Christmas ano? Your advent calendar. Nice. Can you wear that to your bag? Wow. Nice, Haley. Oh, like this, oh. Wow! Hey, look at that elbow bag.
See that?
Look at wow! Yay! Yay!
A few moments later.
Hello guys. Ayan, nasa bahay na kami. Suot ko yung binigay ko kay Haley na Elmo hat. And let's do unboxing. Kinuha namin tong aming pasabay. Ayan. Thank you, thank you. Sa nag-asikaso nito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. Meron na naman tayong goodies from Pilipinas. Aking mga ni-request. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, ito sa Daiso. Mabigat, 5 kilo. Ayan si Haley. Say hi! Say hi to the guys!
Hi!
Hi! Okay, let's do this! Unahin natin tong Hello Wafer. Favorite ni Daddy. Favorite na rin ni Mami. And gusto na rin ni Haley. So, ayan. Nagpabili kami, guys. 6. Ayan, o. Galing Pilipinas. Wala yan dito sa Filipino store. Ayan. So, Hello Wafer. Favorite. 6 pieces yan, guys. Oh, later, we'll open one, Haley, okay? Okay. Okay, let's just show them first. And then, yes, and then nagpabili ako guys ng aking malunggay capsules. 3 box. So, from Buds and Blooms. Ayan. Take natin yan kapag nanganak na ako. Food supplement. Ayan, 60 capsules isang box. So, 180. 3. Ayan. I think sa TikTok to in order. Ayan. So, mabilis ding nakarating. So, and yan din yung ginagamit ni V. Cortez. Kaya sabi ko, tatry ko to. Yan, meron pa ako dyang malunggay capsule. Pero yun parang galing Mercury, guys. So, hopefully, makatulong to sa ating puproduce ng milk for baby. So, ayan. And then, yung mga vitamins ni Haley. Ay, ang laki pala nitong vitamins mo, Haley. Look at your vitamins, oh. Celine Plus. Ang laki pala itong nabili sa atin. 100 mg. It's your vitamins, Hailey. Oh, maliit lang yung last time eh. Ang laki nito, oh.
Ay,
Oh, kaya pala mabigat. Akala ko yung isang ano. So, that's Celine kay Hailey. And then yung favorite niyang Be Well C. Tatlo to, guys. Ang laki din. Yung last time, parang kalahati lang nito. Wow! That's your favorite vitamins, Hailey. Oh, 100. Ano na siya? MG. Wow! Daming vitamins ng baby from Philippines. Ay, wala siyang kasama nung ano. Nag-iisa. Ewan ko saan kung vitamins nakuha tong parang takalan niya. Nag-iisa lang to, guys. Yung ganyan, oh. Wait. Careful kasi bababasag. Careful. Isa lang yung ganito niya, guys. Kala ko may kasama, wala pala. Careful! Mababasag! Yeah, we'll just show them. Be well, Sito. Favorite ni Hailey to, guys. So, may ilang buwan siyang... Yes. Ilang buwan siyang supply ng kanyang vitamins. Favorite. Okay. Oh, yeah, wait lang. Wait. Let's just show them first. Okay? Let's put it here. Malalaki pala itong binili. And then, meron siyang tiki-tiki. Kay Hailey and for baby, 4. Ayan, guys. 4 na tiki-tiki. Careful, okay? Ilan naman to? 120 ml naman to. So, tingnan natin. Wala rin siyang kasama, okay. So, nag-iisa lang talaga yung measuring, ni Hailey. Measuring cup niya. Ayan. Tingnan nga natin. Kasi meron pa si Hailey 2 natira dito. Ubusin muna namin yun bago namin siya dito sa bago. Asa na? 1 to 3 years old, 2.5 ml. Okay. Pang kay Hailey na nga to. Okay. Not yet. It's heavy. We're gonna open this later, okay? We're just gonna show them. Okay? And last, para sa akin to, guys. 2 box ng Anmum. Ayan. Galing Pinas. Plain and chocolate flavor ito try ko. Ayan. That's Anmum Materna. First time ko to. Dahil hindi ako naka-inom nung nagbubuntis ako kay Hailey. So, sabi ko, try ko nga. Ayan. Mahal to, guys, sa online. And nakikita ko sa marketplace, parang $25. Isang box din nila binibenta. Pero sa Pilipinas, parang nasa 400 something siya. Ayan. I-check natin. 400 something to eh. Ayan. Tingnan natin. May sinend sa akin ditong 400 415 and 40 pesos to, guys. So, ayun. Try natin yan mamayang gabi. Chocolate and I have plain. Yan. Thanks, Yayay. Ang isa sa mga angels ni ate. Yan, siya ang nag-asikaso lahat nito. Tapos, pinalalamove. And then, dinala na nga dito sa Vancouver. Yan. Meron din sa Amazon to, guys. Mahal din. Pero, yan na. So, nagka-chance tayo na magpabili sa Pilipinas. And, ayan. There you go. That's our Pilipinas haul. And si Hailey, tinimbang namin ngayon. 12 kilos na siya, guys. 25 months. Kaso, ang problema kay Hailey ngayon, this past few days, wala siyang ganang kumain na naman. Ayaw kumain ng rice, ulam, puro dede and snacks. So, nagtataka na naman kami, nag-worry na naman kami ni Harold na bakit ganun, dahil ba lumalaki siya or normal lang sa age siya na ganun, medyo nagpipicky eater. Pero masigla naman siya, walang sakit, walang lagnat. Ayaw lang niya ng rice. Susubo siya isang subo lang, that's it. Tapos aayawan na niya, kahit bigyan mo siya ng sarili niyang bowl for rice, ayaw niya. Who's this? Wow, I'll give it to you. Elmo! Try to wear it and then show them. Wow! Oh, let's see. I show them. Ayun, you're gonna check yourself there on the camera. Yun, Hailey, oh, show them. Wow! You have the Elmo hat. You like it? You like it? Gulo na ng buhok mo, Yeah, wear this one sa Christmas, okay? Wear this one sa Christmas. And let's open, Hailey, your advent calendar. Nandito yan, Today's December 5, guys. Happy Friday. Natapos ng ating 5 days of work. Ayan. Hailey, let's open. Oh yeah, let's open. Where's the number 5? Where's the number 5? Here. Okay. Mommy will just, and then you open, okay? Okay, open. No, this one. Yeah, that one. Open. Wow! Get it. Share tayo. Okay. Mommy first? Mommy first, and then I'll give it to you. There you go. Yummy. Tomorrow, number 6, okay? Where's the number 6? Where's the number 6? Ayun, nasa taas pala, guys. Tomorrow, we'll open this, okay? High five. High five, Mommy. Yung high five. Tomorrow, we'll open this, okay? Mommy will keep it. Tomorrow, okay? Say bye-bye to the guys. Say bye-bye. See you guys later. Or, baka tapusin namin dito ang aming short vlog for today para maka-edit ako. Ayun lang naman ang aming Friday ganap, guys. So, happy weekend everyone. Thank you guys for watching. Sana nakaabot po kayo hanggang dulo ng aming video. And if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing. So, ayan. Hailey, say bye-bye! Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys on our next vlog. Bye! Oh, bye na! Bye! Bye! Hailey, bye! Bye! Your hands! Your hands! Bye! I say bye! Bye na! Okay, bye! Your hands! Bye!